my collection of dishes I found from my G.I. Joe. Over the years, I've picked up these dishes. It's kind of nice to have something to put in the background. This is from an old tea set, I think. I thought they were pretty cool. Could be useful. These are plastic. I believe they came from a Barbie set somewhere. Not real sure. I picked these things up randomly, so who knows? But they're a nice size. These are made of brass or bronze. Two different type of teapots. I think this one would look great on a potbelly stove. Or some type of old-fashioned stove, maybe in a cabin. These I found at a little antique store. They're actually a pretty good sized cup. Kind of a strange dish. I only paid $1 for them each, which is not bad. These I found at a little store we have in Tillamook County. This one says Darren. The other one is Joe. They're little name cups. I guess you could get them to, like, put them on a little shelving thing for your family members. I don't know. This set I picked up at a little antique store in Washington. It's a little small scale for G.I. Joe, but it works. There's like 3 pots, a frying pan. Most of them have lids too. They remind me like of this set that you would use for camping. I liked them. They're cool. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, click that like button. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next one.